morning, children. In my previous video, where I had taught you how to find the lowest common multiple, you remember how we did it? First, we used to write down the first few multiples of the given two or more than two numbers. Then we would encircle or highlight those numbers which were common multiples of the given numbers. And then we used to pick up the lowest common multiple. But beta, when the numbers will become bigger, then this method will become slightly more cumbersome. For such a situation, we have another method which is called continued division method. And this I am going to explain to you in this video. So this is a very, very interesting and a short method. Please watch it carefully.
LCM, lowest common multiple, by continued division. Okay, children, today we are going to find out the LCM of two numbers by continued division method. This is a very good method. Okay, suppose you have to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. So you will write down 6, 8 and make an L like this. Now you will pick up a prime number which divides 6 as well as 8 fully. So that prime number is 2. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now children, you have to think of any prime number which will divide 3 and 4 fully. One prime number should be there which divides 3 and 4 both. But there is no prime number which can divide 3 and 4. So your sum is over. Now LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Beta, what we have done? We have multiplied this number, and this number. So we have multiplied the numbers which are forming L. So 2 3s are is 6 and 6 4s are 24. So 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. 6 4s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the lowest common multiple of both 6 as well as 8. I will show you more examples so that the method is clear to you. Let us take 6 and 9. So put them in L. Now the smallest prime number which will divide both 6 as well as 9 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now we have to again think of a prime number which will divide 2 and 3 both. There is no one prime number which will divide 2 and 3 both. Why? Because they are both themselves prime number, beta. So there is no prime number which will divide 2 and 3 both. So our sum is over. And LCM of 6 and 9 is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This 3, this 2 and this 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the LCM of 6 as well as 9. 6 threes are 18 and 9 twos are 18. So 18 is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9. Okay, let us take another example. 8 and 10. Put them in L. Now the smallest prime number which will divide 8 as well as 10 both is 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now children, again we have to think of a prime number which will divide 4 and 5 both together. There is no one prime number which will divide 4 as well as 5. So our sum is over. LCM of 8 and 10 is 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. What we have done? We are multiplying 2, 4 and 5. Now 2 fours are 8, 8 fives are 40. 40 is the LCM of 8 and 10 both. Now 8 fives are 40 and 10 fours are 40. So 40 is the LCM. Okay, let us take one more example. 10 and 20. Think of a prime number which will divide both 10 and 20. That number is 2. Why 2 beta? Because 10 as well as 20 both are even numbers. Now 2 fives are 10, 2 tens are 20. Again we have to think of a prime number which will divide 5 and 10 both. This time we got a prime number which will divide 5 and 10 both, and that number is 5. So we have one more step to do beta. We have put 5 and 10 in L. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now there is no prime number which will divide 1 and 2 together. So children, the LCM is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Now what I have done? I am multiplying this 2, this 5 and this 2. This 1 I have not multiplied because anything multiplied by 1 will give us the same thing. So if you want, you can multiply by this one also. So 2 fives are 10 and 10 twos is 20. So beta 20 is the LCM of 10 and 20 both. 10 twos are 20 and 20 ones are 20. Okay. Now let us take one more example. 15 and 30. Let us put them in L. Think of a prime number which will divide 15 and 30 both. Okay, that number can be 3. 3 fives are 15 and 3 tens are 30. Now think of a number which will divide 5 and 10 both. Now that number is 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Now there is no prime number which will divide both the numbers 1 and 2. There is no prime number beta. So the sum is over. So LCM of 15 and 30 is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. Now children, I multiplied this 3, this 5, this 1 I have multiplied here. Last time I left it. You can multiply or you can leave whatever you want. And this 2. Now 3 5s are 15 and 15 2s are 30 and 31s is also 30. So the answer is 30. So 30 is the LCM of 15 as well as 30. Now 15 2s are 30 and 30 1s are 30. Okay. Let us do one more example. Okay. Let us do 60 and 120. They are big numbers, but nothing to worry, beta. Both are even numbers, so easy. Both of them will divide by 2. 2 30s are 60 and 2 60s are 120. Children, I am doing mental maths because the tables are very important. Okay, now 30 and 60 should be divided by one prime number, and that prime number is 2. 2 15s are 30 and 2 30s are 60. Okay. Now again think of a prime number which will divide 15 and 30 together. That prime number is 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 10s are 30. Again think of a prime number which will divide 5 and 10 completely. That prime number is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Now beta, there is no prime number which will divide 1 and 2 together. So the sum is over and LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. Now what we have done? We have taken this 2, this 2, this 3, this 5 and this 1 and this 2. So children, in this question we have 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60 and 60 2s are 120. So the lowest common multiple is 120. Now children, 60 2s are 120 and 120 1s are 120. So 120 is the lowest common multiple of 60 and 120. Okay children, remember the lowest common multiple is either equal to the bigger number or it is greater than both the numbers. I will show you how. Lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24 and 24 is bigger than 6 as well as 8. Lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18 and 18 is bigger than 6 and 9 both. Lowest common multiple of 8 and 10 is 40 and 40 is bigger than 8 as well as 10 beta. lowest common multiple of 10 and 20 is 20, and 20 is equal to the bigger number 20. See? Okay. Lowest common multiple of 15 and 30 is 30, and 30 is equal to the bigger number 30. And same way beta, lowest common multiple of 60 and 120 is 120, and it is equal to the bigger number 120. So my dear children, remember always multiple and the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of two numbers is either bigger than both the numbers, or it is equal to the bigger number. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.